Hey y'all. Okay, so honestly, I have been making clothes for my daughter for years, up until she gave up on her dress years. She don't wear dresses anymore. And I've been making my clothes for a long time as well. Um when I was in that space of spending a lot of time promoting and offering my services to other people, I found it very taxing and it really wasn't that joyful. What happens is you lose yourself in trying to please people and make other people happy, and it takes away from your creativity. So, with that being said, a project that I decide to share is just a project that I decide to share. I am not trying to sell anybody anything. That's why 9 times out of 10, I'll tell you where I got the fabric from. If I really, really have time, I'll break everything down because I don't want to get lost in pleasing other people. I'm busy doing a project. I am sharing a piece of me with the world. And that is what people have to really remember when you're doing any type of creative project, creative endeavor. You know what I mean? So that's pretty much all I got to say about that. I like to spend time in the moment. So that's no different if I go to the beach. Sometimes I will share my time at the beach because some people don't have access to the beach. So just to watch the beautiful waves, to watch the sunrise, to watch the whole ambiance of how people are out in nature and having a good time, that's just what it is. Um, so many people, we are caught in like an instant gratification era. So much so that we don't know how to just be. So that's why it's important for you to find what it is that works for you to help you just be and be happy in it. So if I'm sitting and I'm creating a handbag, if I'm creating a pot holder, baby, I'm sitting down having me a piece of coffee, doing it. I'm going to have my Pepsi, doing it. So I hope this helps people understand the creative process. Like, you have to unblock that piece and be in that space sometimes. Okay? Enjoy it.